The Acei Cichlid is a species of cichlid fish that is native to Lake Malawi, a large lake in East Africa that is part of the East African Rift System. The lake is home to a diverse array of cichlid species, many of which are brightly colored and have become popular among aquarium enthusiasts. The acei is found in the rocky habitats along the shores of Lake Malawi, where it feeds on algae and small invertebrates. The species is known for its vibrant blue and yellow coloration, which makes it a highly prized addition to many aquarium collections. In the wild, the acei is a relatively peaceful species, but in captive environments, it may become aggressive towards other fish if it feels its territory is being threatened. It is important for aquarium owners to provide plenty of hiding places and territory for the acei in order to prevent territorial behavior. While the acei is relatively easy to care for in captivity, there are certain requirements that must be met in order to ensure its well-being and longevity. Aquarium setup. This cichlid requires a well-established aquarium that is at least 55 gallons in size. A substrate of sand or small pebbles is recommended, as well as plenty of hiding places in the form of rocks, caves, and plants. Good water quality is also essential, and a high-quality filtration system is necessary to maintain clean and clear water. Water quality. Water quality is of utmost importance when it comes to the care of acei. The pH of the water should be between 7.5 and 8.5, and the temperature should be maintained between 78 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit, or 25 to 28 degrees Celsius. Regular water changes of 20 to 30% every 2 weeks are necessary to keep the water quality high, and the use of a water conditioner is recommended to remove any harmful chemicals from the tap water. Diet. The acei is an omnivore, and a varied diet is important to maintain its health. High-quality pellets or flakes can serve as the base of its diet and can be supplemented with foods such as brine shrimp, bloodworms, and daphnia. Vegetable matter, such as spinach, lettuce, or peas, can also be offered and will help to provide the necessary fiber for optimal digestion. Behavior. In the wild, this cichlid is a relatively peaceful species, but in captive environments, it may become aggressive towards other fish if it feels its territory is being threatened. It is important for aquarium owners to provide plenty of hiding places and territory for the acei in order to prevent territorial behavior. The acei is also a relatively easy species to breed, making it an attractive option for those looking to propagate their own fish. Aquarium setup. In order to breed the acei, it is important to have a suitable aquarium setup. A breeding tank of at least 30 gallons is recommended and should contain plenty of hiding places and spawning sites, such as flat rocks or caves. Good water quality is also essential, and a high-quality filtration system is necessary to maintain clean and clear water. Water quality. Water quality is of utmost importance when it comes to breeding the acei. The pH of the water should be between 7.5 and 8.5, and the temperature should be maintained between 78 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Regular water changes of 20 to 30% every 2 weeks are necessary to keep the water quality high, and the use of a water conditioner is recommended to remove any harmful chemicals from the tap water. Pair formation. This fish is a relatively peaceful species, and in captive environments, it is often possible for breeding pairs to form without much intervention. If a breeding pair is not formed naturally, it may be necessary to purchase a group of young fish and allow them to pair up on their own. Spawning. Once a breeding pair has been established, the acei will begin to spawn. The female will lay her eggs on a flat rock or in a cave, and the male will then guard the eggs and fry. It is important to provide plenty of hiding places for the fry, as they may be vulnerable to predation from other fish in the tank. Fry care. Once the fry have hatched, they can be fed small amounts of newly hatched brine shrimp or commercial fry food. As the fry grow, their diet can be supplemented with larger foods. It is important to maintain good water quality in the fry tank, and regular water changes every 2 weeks are necessary to prevent the buildup of harmful chemicals. Health. It is important to keep a close eye on the health of both the adult fish and the fry. Symptoms of illness may include a lack of appetite, lethargy, and abnormal swimming behavior. The acei is considered to be a relatively rare species in the wild, with a limited distribution in Lake Malawi in East Africa. It is considered to be vulnerable due to habitat loss and overfishing for the aquarium trade. However, in the aquarium hobby, the acei is widely available and is not considered to be a rare species. It can be found for sale in pet stores and online retailers, although the price can vary depending on the location and availability.